perfect thing to do when it's 58 degrees out.
Ah, yes, journeying the water at 58 degrees. Hi.
It's at least warm.
Yeah, at least it's warm water. That's nice. Like you like Mickey with like that's fantastic. Oh,
There we go.
there we go.
That's
This one.
there.
There we go. There we go. little kid try. Hey.
You want to get wet?
No.
Yeah, he does.
I do not want to get wet. What do you mean? Do this.
What's that say?
What's this side?
That's the wet path.
How is it the wet path? What's the difference? It's just water, isn't it? What? Is this supposed to do something?
I don't know if it's that or if it's just because like the flowing of the water.
Is that how it's supposed to be? Just like flooding the path?
I guess so.
Oh,
the wet
okay. That's the wet
stream,
path.
like
the stream.
Yeah, the stream for that.
The wet path.
That's the idea.
There we go.
Ah.
Got wet. Oh, yeah. There we go. I don't want to get wet. Yeah, it's warm. Hey, stop doing that.
Chris, you gotta go through it.
I'll go through it.
I just gotta
There we go. There we go.
Hey, wait for me! My friend's going away for me.
Oh, there you go.
But we're saving!
At least there's a restroom over there.
Weapon?
There's a restroom.
Alright,
The most important thing to see in this fair.
we don't need restrooms. Picture right here.
Oh, just saying all water.
You were jumping there?
Yeah.
See where Thomas went? Oh. Oh, Wibba.
And we can have ice now.
No.
And whatever, look it up. Oh.
Whoa. Is it supposed to hit that low? Whoa. I should be fine. Oh. Oh, it's in my foot. It's flooding. It's in my foot. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh yeah. You know, if this was in California, this would they would shut this all off by like within like days. Oh, this is the rock they were complaining about. It's broken.
Why? What do you do for fun? There's nothing in there.
I
Is it broken?
they said it's broken. I don't look broken to me. What's this?
Go step on it.
I think it's supposed to go into music and all that stuff, but
I see. No, I'm not stepping on that.
no, I don't think it's supposed to step. I think it's supposed to shoot up.
Oh,
into
really?
the sky.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, and I think that was where the
Broken thing was, yeah. It was,
the broken thing with the chipped paint or something like that.
It looks fine to me. It just turned off. Oh, sky.
Can I drink the sky?
Absolutely. Anything is possible. You put your mind to it. That's what Walt Disney said. Wait, where's Tafiki? Whatever her name is.
Did we pass her?
I think we did. Oh well, that's okay. I didn't even see. They were advertising it so much in the thing, and I didn't even see her.
I completely blanked on her.
Oh well, it's fine. Whatever.